Ireland will not be a participant in next year's Eurovision Song Contest, nor will it be broadcast by RTE, following a decision by the European Broadcasting Union in Geneva to back Israel's participation in the event. Ireland was among a number of countries that objected to Israel taking part due to its conduct in Gaza. Concerns were also raised over alleged manipulation of votes in recent finals. Tonight, Spain, Slovenia and the Netherlands also announced their withdrawal from the show, which has an estimated audience of 160 million.
Ireland's 7 Eurovision wins remain a standout legacy. But after decades of glitz and glory, tonight it's emerged that Ireland will not participate in the contest next year, and it will not be broadcast by RTE. It follows a meeting at the European Broadcasting Union's headquarters in Geneva today, where it was decided Israel can stay in the contest. There had been questions over its participation after 2 years of conflict over Gaza.
Well, I'm very glad that RTE have decided to pull out of the Eurovision this year, because we need to show support for the people of Gaza and what has happened to them over the last 3 years, and indeed in the decades beforehand as well.
Today's meeting also follows allegations that Israel was unfairly boosting voting for its singer. Last month, the EBU announced changes, including strengthening its voting system. This evening it was decided that these new proposed voting measures are sufficient, and there was no vote on Israel's participation in the competition. Broadcasters in Spain, the Netherlands and Slovenia have confirmed tonight they will also be boycotting the event.
It's really disappointing. I think the EBU have brought in new measures to protect Israel as much as possible, and we would never see these measures for other countries. So it's disappointing that they've gone to the length that they have to protect one country and let potentially 5 or more broadcasters withdraw from the contest.
The Israeli President Isaac Herzog has thanked friends who stood up for Israel, saying his country deserves to be represented on every stage around the world. In a statement, RTE said Ireland's participation remains unconscionable given the appalling loss of lives in Gaza and the humanitarian crisis there, which continues to put the lives of so many civilians at risk. Aisling Kenny, RTE News.
Let's have a word now with our arts and media correspondent, Evelyn O'Rourke. Evelyn, where are we tonight with all of this then?
My goodness, it's been a really busy couple of hours. So we knew that the General Assembly was happening in Geneva at the headquarters there of the EBU. We knew the members were gathering, and we knew that this issue was really going to be inevitably discussed this evening. It's been building over several months. So the EBU confirmed that they had this vote on the new proposals. These are the different things they brought in to strengthen the voting and different systems. Once that vote had passed, it really meant that the path was clear for Israel to participate. But then the statements started coming thick and fast, started by the Netherlands saying that they're withdrawing, RTE following indeed, Spain, one of the big 5, so very significant there, and then Slovenia. So at this point we have 4 national broadcasters saying they're boycotting next May's competition.
Right, Evelyn, thank you.